Alright, so we have a mission bibia. Within the Nogopo artist, Mr. Wasel subscribe to the channel. No, never watch in about comment section. Like in a share my Abisha for Asemaba. Akwatia By-Election. Akwatia By-Election. Abisha for tension. I see one and no part to way. Na inyasem ketwa. Abisha for NDC for accuse the NPP of removing their posters. But question is say ye na ye nim say election bia ye be kono. Sada na ye be ko election and I said sada na ye be to aba no. Sada no. Nobody is allowed to wear party shit. Any posters around where police station na ye ko akoto aba no. Sa nyama no nyina ye tu and I say ye yi sa nyama nyina fi hono. But NDC for say MPP for yi omu posters nti omu ntiase abusia for enya asem ketwa mo mayen ko na share videos no bra na ye ba ye beto aso nya be shira bibia.
You can't just he was the one who was in here. So they have to be arrested. You have to be arrested. You can't go back. Ana kwa kasi hadi omu tumbe penta kwa nti hehe ni beno ana police for real omu ba na omu fa omu kan kene omu ba na ma ba tie nipa police convoy yes omu ba tie ye nipa no ma chino jeti wanya hwi onu wati wojine mbabi ana omu be penta kwa aka ye ne kopi omu ta kwa ye support kwala no ya advance ye kwa se mo obi ko penta kwa ba obi be penta kwa de obi defend so that's it ndo mo ba hono no omo se de be mo mde fata kwamba omo ko he ni na mo ba ya mo be che nkwa na bi ndo fa do so na wa cho ni baba ko
I don't know go for our poster. Because nipa ya poli no nipa mu na mo ta nipa mu ade mo go nipa go chomko ya ti ya party office ya ka ti pato no be one way post Africa nu ka na police station ka nu ana police station dia ko sa se no kodua na ko ba ta so ba tuani ka be bonu Zakodua no onu ebi secretary ka be bunu ewu ni kwasi ani timi o dinamu na once for ada ni omo ebi before na ko ba tua mu nyina aka aduma mu na ko ba tua mu nyina aka for police for Party office. After the party, the people with the party here, all that could stop the Viet. It have slapped the NDC man. Huh? Why is he not stop?
How dare you with your bodyguard? And I'm going to sorry, and the more by no more can they be behind this party office. Yes, or might you have a pen, Papa. I know what I say, how you want to pen, Papa, and the hair in the banner and a police for real. Or more by no more from Khan Jenny, move by a number of years in the park.
Police convoy.
Yes. Anybody on my channel. Yanti. Why not she on what was in baby? I don't pen tapa. I can't copy on the years about Colano. Yeah, I was here for a mobile pentapa, but will be better on top of the will be defending. So that's here. And the mobile almost said they were moving from Tapamba, Omuko. Hey, and a mobile chair for an abuse.
And the battle doesn't watch you.
Nibako. Hey. Okay.
You all want peace. No one wants violence. But we will not be intimidated.
Have you spoken to the leadership of the NDC already? Because you felt insulted or slighted by
Why we were not the one who called for the meeting. It was Peace Council. If Peace Council has any reservation or any issues, they should call the NDC. If it was our meeting, then the question you're asking would have come in. But it was the Peace Council that called for the meeting.
There's such a high deployment.
Proper for a poster to be at the polling center. Is it proper? Answer me, is it proper? So if something is wrong, it is wrong.
It is wrong.
Mr. Kuda, what could be a fulfilling outcome for the new patriotic party at the end of
well, at the end of the day, at 5 p.m., when collation is done, you will see the results.
Me who was first, no. Why is I who was first, no? Me him so. I'm here. Our friend say, I feel no mark anybody gas. And later on, I mean, we said Justin Kobe also. I can't be. Until open the next police station, I say from who was here. I didn't see what they. Why? Our friend say your posters. Why your posters. Why your posters. And the young guys say, there be. Now we hear the young people mama say. Sana we hear them. We the basa in the baba. Munja boys. What's one person? I didn't see no. Our police will buy. As I say, in Kamubeti asem no ye no. Mumbaja Viet for no boy and Omoko. And I fear no one was a cool no more. Mama bet you no more than no call. Every
We want to talk to our agent.
Where is he? Okay. But not all of you.
No, I am not.
Oh, not you. I'm not talking of you.